Namaste and good morning, class 8. Earthworm farming, this is our lesson. It is continued, and I have described some methods for the cultivation or rearing of earthworm. Earthworm is very essential for the farmers, very important for the farmers. It is farmers' friend also, and the fertilizer that is prepared by rearing of earthworms are very useful for our farming land. And here I have written advantage of earthworm fertilizer point wise. You have to learn this by heart. This sometimes this is asked in examination. In many examination it has been asked. So we have to learn this. First point is that this fertilizer is black, without bad smell, light and rich in nutrients. Almost all nutrients found in this fertilizer, and it has no any bad smell. Black color fertilizer is that it is richer in food factors than ordinary compost fertilizer. There are different types of compost fertilizer, but this fertilizer is better among other compost fertilizer. It helps to environmental cleanliness. It is environmental friendly because it does not pollute the environment. Rather, it helps to clean the environment. When we produce this fertilizer, we collect organic wastes like grass, farm weeds, means different types of weeds, grass, straw, domestic wastes, other domestic wastes. Also we will collect to prepare this vermicompost like dung of animal, some other waste product like grass, hay, husk that comes from our shed when we clean shed of our domestic animal. So these domestic wastes also can be utilized to prepare this fertilizer, and in this way this fertilizer helps to clean the environment. Extra earthworm can be used for feeding dog and chicken. If we have dog farming, chicken farming, fish farming, dog, chicken and fish farming, extra earthworm can be used for feeding dog, chicken and fish. If we have done dog farming, poultry farming, dog farming, fish farming, then we can use this extra earthworm to feed these creatures, these farm animals. There are not poisonous factors like other fertilizer. This fertilizer is safe. There is no any poisonous factor in this fertilizer like other fertilizer. It is organic fertilizer, hence the crops that are cultivated by using this fertilizer are healthy. The crops which are produced by using this fertilizer, these crops are healthy for our body. No any side effect in our body. But the crops that are produced by utilizing chemical fertilizer, these crops are not good for our health. So by this way we can say earthworm fertilizer is good for the farmers or for the people. And now there is exercise. Some questions are there in the exercise. 3 questions are there. Write an introduction to earthworm farming. Write an introduction to earthworm farming. You should write yourself. Write about different species of earthworm and how earthworm farming is done. You write this. Different species of earthworm also, and how earthworm farming is done. Any one common method By utilizing biodegradable waste, we can do earthworm farming like that. We can put some earthworm, we can catch some earthworm, or we can bring some earthworm from garden or from any other place in the field, and we can put some earthworms near about 200 in numbers, and after 2 months it will increase in numbers, and it will be 600 in numbers. Like that we can say, we can write. Then 2 number describe advantage of earthworm fertilizer. This is advantage of earthworm fertilizer. 2 number. Then 3 number, earthworms are friends of farmers. Justify this statement. I write this. You write this in your copy and learn. Then I clean this and I write answer of 3 number. Earthworms are friends of farmers. Justify this statement. Exercise. Three. Earthworms are friends of farmers. Justify this statement. Earthworms are friends of farmers. Justify this statement. It is said that earthworm the soil where earthworms are present is good for agriculture. Because earthworms make the soil loose and fertile. As the earthworm make various tiny holes in the soil. nitrogen from the atmosphere will enter in these holes and by plants absorb nitrogen. Plants absorb nitrogen by roots for their growth. Earthworms also eat soil and other natural substances pass stool. That is good fertilizer. So in this way we can say, in this way we can say earthworms are friends of farmers. Friends of farmers. In this way we can say earthworms are friends of farmers. That is the answer of 3. And now I want to again take leave from you for today, and in my next video I will describe about other exercise, other lesson. This lesson is finished, and our next lesson will be other, that is organic vegetable farming. So now I want to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you. Do work as instructed in my video.